But it's just like, yeah, it might talk about the country, if you lock down by curfew and whatever. I'm just like, why? Any plans to Jamaica postpone? Cause it come like it don't make no sense. You visit when everything are gone, all of them things, they just not go nice. Now that me I say him kill vibes, me not tell no him kill vibes bad. Him kill vibes bad cause we did a plan like for December or whatever, but right now the curfew start back, so I'm like, boy, come like a 2022, probably 2023. Like it don't make no sense to forward and then the whole experience where you forget and all of the things that when you want to do you can't do it. So it's like, why that don't really make no sense to me right now. So we'll just go and wait. The last time, because of all of this we did go on, we just did have to like stay in our hotel, which that did alright, but I don't really that we did really want to. We don't want to go out and do things and whatever, but because of the whole lockdown again, what am I do? It just make I don't want like I feel like forced to stay in a hotel, you know them way there. And because of that, a whole heap of people may think I cancel them trip, because the full authentic experience where you want to get when you're out of Jamaica, you can't get it. I know him probably have it say, yeah, man, do the best thing for the country and ray blah blah whatever, but why? To me know where me want to do when we forward there. So it don't make no sense. You better try to force it, and when we forward is like I say the same thing. You know, so I just go and hold off till maybe 2025. We don't know, because we don't know when it go done. Chaddy walk and pick up yourself. With that, the medical queen, bless up yourself. Yeah. So I just that. But me no know. I just have to go and do everything. Yeah, I can't do nothing, because it just come like say, when you think things will get better, it'll get worse. A real talk. And when we go, we don't really want to fear force to stay in a hotel, because even the hotel name, you still not get the full experience I want them, because entertainment week a certain place, and the restaurant, like you pay a certain amount of money for the restaurant them, and when you go after the restaurant them lock, so you can't get to eat as how you want to, so that don't make no sense. And then everybody feels swell up, because the staff them where did it, them not happy. They're not happy. Like right now, me would afraid that anybody will come from the States or Canada or whatever. Like, yo, you more forgive me COVID than when me there my yard. I don't really want to deal with you. You see, that's how me would have feel. Like me see the night hotel industry, and if I did me right now, why? No, you have to see over there. So social distancing, yeah, can't risk it. When me there good and alright, and then you gone over back alright, me there get COVID, and then me can't report to nobody. Say, oh, because they say, you say, oh, your job, you know where did I get in prairie, blah blah, and all of them. So, no, not depend that. Yeah. I'm there I go and wait for my son, because the bus I run late today. Them say early day, so I'm like, alright. I just go live and see what I go on. But yeah, all the Jamaica plans that cancel right now. No make no sense. If maybe you just want, like, we want to visit the family, that's a must or whatever. But you still not get the experience how you want. So yeah, just go and bill. You can still go and talk WhatsApp or FaceTime. that good. Nah, risk it for the biscuit. None at all. None at all. And another thing, when I see a whole heap of people, I say, oh, what? Them say people are come to Jamaica and I steal the culture and bring it back for them yard and I teach it. I talk about dancing, them music, them style flow, everything. So me like, well, obviously I don't want to give them it for free. Nobody can steal nothing like that. You have to put it out there because to me, Mojo, go on, everything blessed. To me see, and even me and my wife I talk about them things all the time. And we are talk about and I say, you see, in Jamaica now, rich in a culture, rich in a so much things, and them just give away just so. I mean, like, why them do that? When you have the people in from over foreign come a yard and then so them teach them one dance and whatever, right? They're not even a charge the people them a right price. Them a charge them, me don't know, and look at $5, $10. Alright. Boom, you charge them a $5, $10. You teach them a dance now, right? When you look them the same people there, come over here, teach the dance then. How much dollars them make off a year dance, what you say, you know? And yes, them a go tag you and whatever when you look them class full. And then you got to talk about, oh, they not give you no support, them not highlight you say a year dance, them not. I'm like, boy, who not ready, my friend? I wanna cause it. Cause me like, this no make no sense for no say to me right now. Because when I see them things and go on and people are come on social media and they might go live, oh, my dance this and me first of all. I want to give it for free. Because first thing I want to do, I put it on social media. Right now, nobody have to teach me a dance. Me can just look on the video them, where them I do and do it. Boom. If you want, then we can go so boops, create a class, boops, teach everything. And then I realize that right now people get so skilled. Them not have to come learn it from the creator. Because them are the ones already I put you out the step by step. Now people can download the video from Instagram or whatever. Download it to them phone, pause when them a pause, catch it, and you not even know so them learn the dance. Them not even know you and you not even know them because they not tag you. They run gone with that. I mean millions off of your own thing because what? When you don't put it out there and then you know I go cuss and when you see other people are doing the dance and I go say right but I mean they build that. See then they all change the name. Sometimes we go so far and then you don't know what they created. You say that they smarty there and that they smarty there. Me just left them. Me just say, boy. And you wouldn't even know, no just like give away so much things for free. Give away so much things for free and then, you know I say, nobody now won't give you the credit we want deserve. Nobody credit for the what? Credit can't feed you. Credit can't feed you. Upsetting. Credit can't feed nobody. Oh, I just want my credit. Just say me build this and this are from my group and my team. Nobody not even know you. You get paid for it? No. You're not investing in it. First of all, you don't own it because a man can build a dance right now. And it come like if you don't copyright for say you own the dance, you don't own it. That's something gone with it. That's how far me I take it. And somebody run with it, change one and two thing. And when you look, them over here make millions of a year dance. And yeah, you might feel good in yourself. Say, yo, my dance. That you know, you screenshot, your screen record, your post dance created by so and so. And when you look, you don't get $1, you're still hungry. That no make no sense to me. And then you reach as far as where some of the musicians them now or singer DJ, them a take the dancer them in the street dancer them a take them dance and a put it in a song, rename it And I see a feed them dance and I feed them crew, really. Me not call no name, me just a say. Me not talk about nobody specific, alright? And when you look, then run gone with it. And then another man I go say, boy, you know, say, the man they do the dance from 2015, a long time I try push out the dance then, and then you look somebody come and just run with it and just change one little thing. When you look, it gone both viral. You hear say, this a man a dance and a him. When you look, trees man when they dance and it's a big catastrophe. And when you look, nobody don't copyright the dance. Nobody don't get paid for it. The only man where I get paid for the dance are the people, are the singer or the DJ who claims that them build the song after the dance. Cause them are people, I feed them dance. I feed them video the people them a watch and them a get the views and them a watch the ads, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah. And then when you look, I didn't know about you. They not even know say you dance, you don't exist. And me just look upon them and say, boy, you bust rich now. Me just look upon them and say, boy, I'm not ready, man. Jamaica so rich in a culture and just give away everything for free. When them are going to wake up and have some sense. So you see, when me see them and cuss along one more dance, me just say, boy, you know, I don't have no say. Because first of all, you son a create dance and I can't take it further too. Because when me go on some African page, I watch whole heap of dancing, you know. When me look, me boy, what's right this one? When me look at the same dancing team from Africa and rename me dance here for them. So it come like me not even know who to defend no more. Yeah. That's how it gone right now. So it's like them a fight as here for them, when you look. Them get the inspiration or motivation, whatever, or an idea. Take it from Africa, Nigeria, South Africa. Name it. Then they don't copyright it. Somebody else do it. Change one look move so. And when you look, I just one big chaos. Me just look man them. Walk on ready rich, big up yourself, you don't know. So it's always one big Nancy story. And as me always I go say Jamaica, and my wife talk about it all the time. I say, yo, Jamaica rich in a man in a culture and them just me don't know. It's like them not think about the future, them a think about the now. Them not think about long term things. Yeah. And then just come on, anybody will run come to them a frightened for them just teach them thing and just get one look of $5, $10, $15 class. Where you teach your dance to somebody for not charge them $5, $10? That can't do nothing. They don't know the value of what them have. So because of that, people are always step on them and use them and run with them thing and make millions off of everything. And then the tradition, and as I said, the generation, everything, I just get watered down. Yeah. Because when them are looking at teach, right now, I see some white people, them are kill it in the streets. I say, no man, a Jamaica, you born and grow. Where you get that, the flow they from? What they do? Watch Instagram videos. Watch Instagram videos of Jamaicans and dance. Never come to Jamaica from the day them born. Then get it do. Everything bad. I'm gonna give them props because they deserve it. Them I do it. Hey, what going? Alright? Oh, it was late.
It's late?
Oh, yeah.
It's late?
It did late for me. Yeah. So, I just say, guys, wake up here, man. Not too late. Lock up on a thing, copyright on a thing. Anything you want to do, whether not dance, sing, anything. Lock up on a thing. And when the right people then come along, that's when you're not selling a thing. You see me? That is it. Peace out. Great talk.